Uh, I just try to work really hard in games. That's really my main thing. I try to rebound a lot, run. I try to be really smart with my moves, not move too much. It all depends on who I play against, how I play. But yeah, usually I play power forward, so I play back to basket, but I can also face up and make a move there. So I like to, yeah, I like a mid-range shot or just go for a layup. Yeah, and just try to work hard and rebound and listen to the coach. Yeah, the experience in America was amazing. I learned so much. American style of play is so much different than in Europe, so it was just a great learning experience for me. It took me like 2 years to get used to the style. I'm gonna say that I still love European basketball more than American basketball, but for sure it made me more versatile, it made me a better player, so I'm very grateful that I went there. I never regretted this decision, and last year in Bulgaria it was a good league. I enjoyed playing there, but unfortunately I was only there 4 months, and we lost in the finals, so that was kind of bitter too, but overall it was a great experience, and so I'm just so excited to continue my career here. Yeah, I'm ready to play. I've been practicing, so